Hey guys, Ardent Ice is here. So today I'm gonna be telling you that I'm preparing. I planned a course for Linux for beginner hackers, and it's pretty much the basics. So now I'm pretty busy, so I'm doing my homework for my online school. So yeah, um, I will be uploading this soon as I can, and peace.